Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet is commonly used to treat virus infections such as the common cold and flu. It is known for its ability to strengthen the immune system and has also been used to treat vaginal fungal infections. It is important to note that some herbal and dietary supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's always best to check with your pharmacist for more information about the specific brand you are using. It's also worth mentioning that the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness, so it's recommended to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details before use. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional or the product label. To use Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet, simply take it by mouth as directed on the product package. It is important to follow all directions provided. If you have any questions or concerns, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. It's important to note that prolonged use of this product may lessen its effectiveness. Therefore, it is recommended to use this product for no more than 8 weeks at a time. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, it's crucial to seek medical assistance immediately. When it comes to the benefits, daily dosage, and optimal timing of taking this product, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. Some potential side effects of Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet include nausea, numbness or tingling of the lips or tongue, and an unpleasant taste in the mouth. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor. While very serious allergic reactions to this product are rare, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for further guidance. As always, if you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to plants in the Asteraceae/daisy family, such as ragweed, chrysanthemums, marigolds, and daisies, or if you have any other allergies. Also, if you have asthma, cancer, immune system problems, HIV, tuberculosis, or have had an organ transplant, it's important to talk to a healthcare professional before using this product. If you are diabetic, have alcohol dependence, or liver disease, it's important to be cautious when using the liquid form of this product, as it may contain sugar and/or alcohol. This can also cause dizziness or drowsiness, especially if consumed with marijuana, cannabis. It's advised to avoid driving or using machinery until you can do so safely. For pregnant women, it's essential to use this product only when necessary and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Additionally, it's important to consult a doctor before using this product while breastfeeding. When taking Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. To ensure safety, keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Additionally, it's important to note that this product may increase the effect of caffeine. It's advisable to avoid consuming large amounts of beverages containing caffeine, such as coffee, tea, and certain sodas, as well as eating large amounts of chocolate while taking this medication. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for the best advice on daily dosage and the optimal timing for taking Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet. If someone takes too much Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet and experiences severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It's crucial to act quickly in case of an overdose. Make sure to take your Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet as directed by your healthcare provider. It is important to follow the recommended dosage and not to exceed it. Echinacea is commonly used to boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections. It is also used to reduce symptoms of the common cold and flu. It is recommended to take this medication with a full glass of water. It can be taken with or without food. Be sure to store it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. If you have any questions or concerns about taking Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your usual time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Echinacea Purpurea Extract 125 mg tablet, you should refer to the storage information printed on the package. If you have any questions about storage, it's best to ask your pharmacist. It's important to keep all medications and herbal products away from children and pets to ensure their safety. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, you should properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. To do this, it's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.